everybody out there in internet land. I'm Ethan Griggs, and this is episode 2 of The Canon. Now, last episode of The Canon was a little lighter. You know, you can have more fun with the Goodfellas and Scorsese films to a certain extent, unless it's Raging Bull. But this canon is going to be a lot more darker because I've got 2 unsettling films that center around one of the most underappreciated actresses of all time. And sadly, she was ripped away from us at the age of 41 in 2002. Her name was Katrin Cartledge. She had a handful of good movies that she was in, but her 2 best ones that really just showed how great of an actress she was Lars von Trier's Breaking the Waves, which also starred Emily Watson and Stellan Skarsgård, and Naked, which was directed by Mike Leigh, which also starred David Thewlis, who most of you people know him as Professor Lupin from the Harry Potter films, but he did a much better job at Naked. The thing about these 2 movies is they kind of make a good double feature with each other because they're very unsettling and they deal with a lot of fucked up individuals. Breaking the Waves, of course, if you're familiar with the cinema of Lars von Trier, there's nothing really pleasant about his films. They're pretty fucked up, for lack of a better word. I mean, this is a Dane that could make fucking Hamlet look like Don Knotts. You know, I'm just saying, he's fucking dark. Breaking the Waves deals with a lot of themes, very like religious themes, sexual themes, and love, and everything else, and it's really... It just challenges everything, and the way it's shot too is fucking just gorgeous. It's got like a grungy feel to it, which was the whole point of the Dogma 95 group that Lars von Trier was a part of. And so check out his work, but Breaking the Waves, for my money, is his fucking masterpiece. Like, it's long as shit, but you get some of the greatest performances. How in the fuck Emily Watson did not win the Academy Award for that movie is beyond me, because there are very few performances as good as that, because she had a lot of shit she had to go, and the film itself seems so fucking natural. And same thing with Naked. I don't really see how they wrote that movie like that. It feels like a fucking just drawn out improvisation, and it's fucking beautiful. Like, it's just the dialogue, it's dizzying almost how fucking fast the dialogue moves. And the ironic thing is, there is no other movie like Naked in Mike Leigh's filmography. The rest of it, to be perfectly honest with you, especially the earlier ones, kind of fucking boring. The later ones, a little more interesting because he's playing with, different themes and stuff. But Naked, by far his masterpiece too, in my opinion. Both on the Criterion. Breaking the Waves, a recent edition, I believe last year, maybe this time last year actually, that it was released on Criterion. And Naked was been on the collection for a long fucking time. But all that other stuff aside, the centerpiece of this episode is Katrin Cartledge, man. She was fucking amazing. In those 2 movies, she's a background character. She's the flatmate in Naked, and she's the sister-in-law in Breaking the Waves. And in both movies, man, even though she's the background character, man, she stands out almost more than the fucking lead. Like, almost every scene she's in, she steals the show. Because, like, she just is one of the most natural actors that ever graced the fucking screen. So if you haven't checked her out, look her up. And I believe that Mike Leigh has a foundation in her honor and stuff, because her death was real sudden. Like I said, 41 years old, a great fucking talent that was ripped way too soon. So... she died, and more or less it was like a tumor of sorts, and like complications of pneumonia and stuff. It was a lot of shit. Like, I didn't understand the medical terminology, so it's just one of those things. But definitely check out her work, especially Breaking the Waves and Naked. Granted, you don't want to be in a depressing mood. You don't want to be depressed when you watch them. Let me just fucking say that. You want to be like happy, and you need to like bring yourself down. So, on Criterion, readily available. Unfortunately, not on Hulu. So you got to find them in some other means, but they're definitely worth a watch. So remember, Katrin Cartledge, man, never forget, because she was very underrated, and that is the canon. So that's the canon for today. Stay tuned for more canon. This is going to be, for now, a weekly thing until we can get it up more and more. But I'm Ethan Griggs, and stay tuned not only for the canon, but Ethan's Movie Corner. And if you haven't checked it out yet, BrokenLeafStudios.com. A lot of crazy shit every fucking day. We've got new content up, so check it out.